Taking your vehicle to a big-name chain service provider can be expensive and irritating. Whether you need scheduled maintenance, a new paint job or touch-up, or a tune-up. When you come to CarPros Kia for service or maintenance, we strive to get your repairs done right the first time. From oil changes to transmission replacements, our factory-trained technicians are dedicated to maintaining top-tier customer service for all of our customers. Visit us at www.carproskiacarson.com. While you're there, order parts, schedule a service appointment, learn about our price match guarantee. And when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. CarPros Kia is located at 21243 South Avalon Boulevard in Carson, California.